So we've got, clients in Nashville who's just going bananas. Like their business is going so great. I mean, I can't get into details, but he's doing very well, and he's growing at a fast clip. And every month it's getting bigger. I think it's okay with me saying that. Then somebody outside of Nashville, about an hour out, great operators, but they have a different issue. People aren't looking for wash and fold or pickup and delivery because they don't know it's a thing. Mm-hmm. And so you do need to be aware of your market. Like, is it already mature? Are people looking for it? Because when we started pickup and delivery, the Google AdWords only did so much because there are only so many people looking for it. So we had to invest more in awareness campaigns, the banner ads where you pay like $50 for 2,000 impressions and you're just hoping you find somebody, but just increasing awareness. So another source with brand new, I know I'm kind of jumping all over the place, but another great source of customers are your customers. So if you're doing in-store wash and fold, at the bottom of our tickets that we print out, you could customize the bottom, and it says, schedule your next laundry pickup at supersuds.com. Here's $5 off, and use this promo code. So so a lot of laundry owners say, why would you want to cannibalize your business? If they're dropping off at the laundromat, I'm going to be making more money than if I have to go pick it up. But what winds up happening in reality, and this is where having the experience helps, is we know when they do a pickup and delivery, they're going to give us about 40 some pounds of clothes versus 20. So when they bring in laundry to your laundromat, they're not carrying in, you go to the gym, that 25-pound weight, that's something. And imagine carrying two of those,
right.
It's
and your kid on your hip and towing right. Another toddler behind you. Yeah.
Yeah. Now you're lugging stuff around, and it's a lot easier to take those two 25-pound weights and put them in front of your house than it is to take them all the way to the laundromat and stuff your trunk with smelly laundry for half the day until you get there.
Yeah.
So yes. So the pickup and delivery, they're going to spend more. And it's such a difference that once a day at our laundromat, somebody drops off their laundry in person. And this is also, and it turns out that we offer and we deliver it home to them. We keep it at the same price. And generally we do it on the bigger orders. Hey, if you want, we could drop that off at your house. They go, oh, really? You do that? That's great. And once they get hooked on that, they're hooked.
Yeah.
And so that's, a great source.